Okay, we're at the Monster 745 here, and we're gonna do an estimate for a low pressure detergent wash. Get rid of the mold, the algae, dirt, spider webs. The wash includes both the house and this garage. I'm not sure what's going on with that property there, but when we wash the house, we're not going to fart around with going inside the screened in areas. We may get our soap and water inside of there, so if they want to get that stuff brought into the house while we're washing, that would be good. Our washing process, gentle detergent wash, does really good at getting rid of dirt, mold, mildew, algae, spider webs, bug guts, and without really any high pressure long ladders brushing. It's a detergent washing process, and gets rid of this nasty old dirt, mold. This house isn't actually too bad. It's got some rough areas and some spots here and there. For the most part, little algae down here. Get that washed up. What was I gonna say? When it comes to the other things that our washing process does not cover is rust. So any rust on your property is a separate cleaning service. If that's not something that you're concerned with, we can get that removed from the air conditioner, all that nasty rust stuff. We can remove that. Separate service, let me know. But unless you take care of the problem, it's just going to continue to come back. Not too much for gutters on this side of the house, but on the back and the other sides there is. And this place is big enough that I might even consider no, I don't need a lift. I could use my 40-foot ladder for the gutter cleaning. Just gonna be lugging around that big ladder, but well, we have the guys and people and processes for that. Thanks for having me out here. Services, this is what we specialize in. Any exterior cleanings needs you have. Roof cleaning, roof maintenance services, gutter cleaning, we're here for you. Call us with any questions, 815-520-6020. Pick the package down below that best meets your needs. Thank you.